Hey guys, it's Sunday, May the 25th, and I'm deciding to make my sort of Memorial weekend dinner, making hamburger. I'm gonna try these ingredients right here, simple and cheap ingredients, and see if I can. I don't know. I don't know what I'm gonna be making. My idea is to make this look like some honey sesame Montreal style. What do you call those? I don't know, hamburger something. Uh, Gosh, what was that thing that I was trying to say? I was trying to make those wet barbecue style hamburger. Jeez, what am I thinking? Uh, it's supposed to be. I'll think of something later. All right, but here's the ingredients I got, and see how the hamburger is gonna be like. We'll see. All right, be back. All right, guys, I'm back. The name that I was thinking about was Sloppy Joe's. I think it's gonna sort of my own flair and style of Sloppy Joe's. I wonder if I have actually. Let me be back. Let me try to find a barbecue sauce. All right, be back. All right, guys. Once again, I didn't find actual barbecue sauce, but I guess I'll use the A1 original sauce. We'll see. I'm wondering if I should put it in now and cook it with the A1 sauce mixed in, or put it after the fact that I cooked the ground beef and the sesame, the honey sesame and Montreal steak mix first. Hmm. Let me see. Maybe I will mix in a little bit, but then if I'm cooking it in the air fryer, and it might cause a bigger mess probably, because I'm wondering if the sesame, if the honey sesame is gonna explode. Uh, Maybe I'll put it in after. Yeah, I'll mix it in after. All right, we'll see. All right, guys, not sure what I was thinking, but decided to put shredded cheddar cheese on it. All right, let me make my hamburger. All right, be back. All right, guys, here it is. I'm not sure of how it looks on camera, but this is my creation. Don't ask me what it is, but these are the ingredients that I have with melted cheddar cheese on it. Here, A1, honey sesame, Montreal steak uh, spices, best food Mayo. But there it is. We'll see how it tastes. All right, be back. Actually, I know what's missing. All right, be back. All right, guys, here's the finished product. I guess my dinner, my Memorial weekend dinner. Serve with Kona Big Wave. All right, guys, thanks for joining me. Well, you won't be joining me when I devour into this.